What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So cheese my people. Cheese come for Rosalie and blam them wicked scene. I share with Uno this morning. Rosalie have some things to say about cheese and how cheese anger the Nicki Minaj situation and this up Nicki Minaj and whatever. She never like it. You see me I say? So cheese come back, come respond to Rosalie in the wickedest way and beat blam them too. Seeing people, boy, I can't believe this, but me see it with my own eye and hear with my two ear. Annie and TikTok beast, them practically back together. Annie in a KFC and a shout out say she love TikTok police, something like that. I think of that she say, yeah. She love TikTok police, something like that. So either them secretly did inner things behind the scene and now make we know, or them just start get back together. Me no know, but something in something. I just the other day I did him birthday and him say a woman buy him Gucci slippers and glass and one bag of something. You see me I say, so me right now I wonder if Annie was that mystery woman. You see me I say? So we are gonna get in that my people. Right, we also have TikTok La, yeah, and Sky Diamond. You see me? I beat cheese and I expose him. You see me? I say also a cheese or share. One out of two of them people, me no remember. You see me? Cause me put down the video here about an hour and add now. See, I think a cheese or share. One out of two of them people, right? Yeah. So. Here I go on. Me know me left out something. More than one thing me know me left out. But if you don't hear it in the intro, I go see it in the video. So maybe me even add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off my people.
Sophie, thank you.
Team, push up his score. Everybody double tap. No, me hold my phone, you know, come
we catch you guys. Bless, thank you.
Double tap. Alright, come on guys, double. Use the double team, maybe got money going for the double.
Use the double guys, use the double. Use the double guys, use the double. Kid, what's up? Use up the double guys. One, two money going guys, or one galaxy.
Use the double team. Guys, come on, use the double.
You only no,
I'm a lion touching. Calm down. What you gonna do like this?
Guys, only you.
We get one more future city.
Guys, we can't
get one more.
How would do that?
We get one more future city.
Be where you over there.
In a business if I don't lion.
Thank you, oh man. Come on, guys. Push up your score, team. Push up your score. Anybody have a glove? Put the money gone. Yo.
Who said that?
Can't push up your score, team. Use it up. Have gloves.
Who said it? B, big up yourself.
So much to the future.
B, big up yourself, B. B, big up yourself, B. One B, panny up.
Guys, come on, team.
Guys, make sure now follow the gifters them. B, should I send it panny double, she send it?
Oh, man. Guys, you know what? Make it up like dear. If boy do me body, no? Guys, you know what? Me give me dear. Oh, you forget me dear, you do me bad.
Dear.
Come on, team, come on, everybody come together.
Who have a dear? You don't tell me, Frano. You don't tell B, you want dear. You want dear, B?
Everybody double tap, team, double tap. Only share the live now and tap on the screen for me, please. Mommy send one of shoot at them over here. B, me can't believe that B do that to me. B, you really do that? Come on, everybody double tap.
Rubber and cream, so I have to put on something so we can cover up my skin. Rubber and cream.
B, come over here now, B. Come over here now, B.
I saw your cream working out when you're hot.
No man, nobody know me get a JD to back foot. Snipe team, wanna snipe. Snipe team.
Onion.
Snipe team, snipe.
Everybody, I eat onion.
Snipe.
Me feel like more something hotter than that. Something hotter.
Snipe team, Aki walk thanks to the perfume.
Like more
Yes.
something hot on that chat. We there in a top number 10 chat.
Snipe. Snipe. Snipe.
Then I top number 10.
Tajay win to back food. Tajay win.
Mika. How you back up from the phone for Mika? Come closer, man. Come closer. Me tell you.
Guys, follow me
I
number
dare
one, me number
I dare. Hello.
number 3 for me. Big
Listen
up
to
all
me.
the sisters them. We try but
Big up B. Big up me. Yeah, dog. Me there in a top 10 now.
so you gone up in the
Alright.
ranking more help for go
Me
up
dare you. Me dare you. It's a deer, you know. It's a deer, you know, Mika. It's a deer.
Yeah,
Me
yes,
dare you
man.
to call. Look here. Me dare you to call Jaden and say, I'm sorry, baby. That's all I need you to say. It's a deer. It's a deer. You need to do it.
Yeah. Tajay, as much as this one.
Mika, take out feelings, bro. Take out feelings. Just do the deer. It's not a feelings thing. It's a deer. Okay?
Dear,
It's a
I'm not a phone to call him and tell him that I'm not gonna know say me call him and tell him that.
Use TT phone. Use TT.
No, my team I said do it and some people say no girl. Why me go say it and I don't mean it?
No, you don't mean it's just a deer, bro. Alright, then say no. Then say no. Alright, then say no. What else? Give me something. Give me something.
Don't mention him, please. A deer is
Alright,
a deer.
alright.
It's a deer, it's a deer.
From D said me not to do it. So give something else.
He said
Yeah,
to
give
do
something
this.
else.
Alright, me love
B said me
this.
not to do it. B, what am I to do? What am I to do, B?
Yes, do it. And that you couldn't know love jam, you know? Just a deer. It's just a deer. Man,
Yeah, her.
it's a deer. Them a say it's a deer.
Wait, no man, don't do it. From B, say me not to do it.
Oh, your gift us.
Here, what? You're not an empty gas pan in the house.
No. Pineapple, you couldn't come shoot for me.
See, I know you would. I know, one video. Alright, why you hold up that chair there? Why you hold up that chair there in your hand and sing Father Abraham?
This?
Yeah.
Until you much done? Sure.
What do you have for breakfast?
You know me not gonna tell you the lie. Me just drink a cup of tea. Me I go up on the road now.
No.
Alright, my people, so I want to tell you about them too. I want to think about them, my people. Because as I say, I just the other day the G get a Gucci slippers and a Versace glass scene, and him say I'm woman gay man. I think the woman bring him out and all these things. You see me? So what that the woman did there? And no man now left no woman where have money just so. Something mean or something. Make me know what to think, my people.
You know my style already. Me not eat already. You know that.
Scorpio short.
What about you?
This, yeah, so.
That's it. No breakfast. No nothing.
So, no. But I soon go get up and get stuff even.
Oh, okay.
But when I sit here, I want you free. Medit.
Alright, me made it. But when me go say to you, more you made it because something good to also. Alright, Queen, thank you, baby. Yeah. Guys, double tap, guys.
No, Anne-Marie, you not a flirt. What kind of flirt? You don't see me a flirt? Me a flirt a while ago. Trot. Me a flirt, trot.
Guys, use the first
Where
double.
Mika there? Where Mika?
I'm a single.
Me couple?
Yeah. Mika.
Mika. Yeah?
Sorry about what go on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up yourself. Heart of love.
Alright. Kevin. Kevin.
Yeah.
Alright, just saying, right? Jagga saying just feel like say both are with to give a public apology because the both are with the wrong to each other. So Jagga say as him a bigger son, him say him just feel like he both are with to give a public apology differently from the dear game. What do you think about that?
Nothing wrong with that. Anything else all
Alright, that sound good.
3 person 1 rose.
Guys, we're gonna guys, 2 more rows, Chad.
Big up yourself, you know. Chat 2 more rows, chat 2 more rows.
Hey, okay.
Jallo. Big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? Jallo.
Baby,
Yeah,
thank
good.
you. Oh my God, Sexy say yes. Alright, Sexy, no problem. I love this, honey. Boy, big up yourself. Enough people don't love this right now. Everybody they in my inbox. Everybody don't mature. That's really crazy. Guys, double tap, guys. Double tap team, guys. Double team. Double team blue. Come on, team blue. Come together.
Double
Guys, who want to
double chat. Jallo, big up, you know.
Who's the double? Queen, thank you, baby. My nurse. Tell me my nurse here. Tell me my nurse here. Beautiful.
Double chat.
Guys, use
Double chat. Moderator, thank you so much. I mean, them sometimes them negative comment.
Thank you, boss lady. Big up yourself, my baby. Boss lady, enough love for that. Come on, guys, use the double team.
Guys, big on one word, guys. 1 word. Yeah, and thank you. Guys, we can't make this.
Thank you so much.
You the funny.
Guys, and a big up to all of my people. Them one team blessed. Thank you so much.
Island mom.
Big up to blue team, of course. LOL. Best.
Yeah, guys, this is my new account, guys. This is my one and only account, but don't have a next account.
Thank you.
TikTok police out there in the real. I remember one TikTok police on the app right through the app. One, not other TikTok police.
Thank you so
Any
much.
other TikTok police, you know, see, them not real, them fake, them false, them a knock off. I run with people name.
One life you have to live. Big up yourself. Guys, double tap team. Love you too, baby. Love you.
Paul, and Jenny.
Thank you, guys. Double tap on it, guys. Come on, guys. Oh, I'm going number 4. Number 4 chat, guys. Me I beg you. We need something like a wheel or something on the speed, guys. Me I try to go up in a number 4 chat.
Tasha, big up yourself. Mama Peaches. I'm gonna see Mama Peaches. You fake cause you follow me and unfollow me back. I'm follow you. Cause me don't know if me follow you and follow you back. But me follow you.
Come on, and as I call them not pray, I saw them a move. And instead of them tap the screen and push a score, I be a fool in the shame I pray.
Same thing, no matter over here, someone must chat.
Yeah, and we rank from morning, you know.
Guys, tap up the screen. Me I beg you, tap up the screen, please. Tap up the screen. Please. Pretty please, tap up the screen. Yeah,
Guys, double tap chat. Guys, thank you for it. Thank you for the taps. Everybody wear tap, guys. Big up on yourself. Blue team, enough love. Alright, I see my team. I see blue team, guys. Everybody within a blue team, guys. Come together and tap up a screen chat.
Thank you, Virgo. Thank you for the confetti.
So when good morning, Josie. So when you restart, yeah, come back.
Yeah, man, come back.
Right here, sir.
Yeah, they want to play their game. You know, like play their game. You can try their game, man. It's nice.
You know, say that's something. You know, say people are like see this.
Me know.
Alright, my people, we not talk too long on that one, you see me? So, more, want to tell me what you think in the comment section about them two, yeah, if them a fool the crowd or them genuinely don't like each other and then them rekindle everything good, you know. Although everything not really good because them not back together 100, but this it I go reach, you see me, eventually. So, make we watch some more, my people.
Yeah, I don't know. Them like when we cuss one another.
I think I did a work out more better for them.
But it not work out for me and you. How that work out for me and you?
It's not work out for me either. You understand? And it's so weird because like even me if we just be friends and we're cool on the app, nothing wrong with that. You get what me I say? It don't really matter like and for them business. You don't want to see me tear down each other that they want.
Yeah, that they want to see. I don't know.
Guys, double tap for me guys. Thank you for the taps.
Alright, go on and come back. My day, yeah?
Alright.
Thank you for the
Father. And you have a cleaner. Check that. A good lady.
Yeah, go on so.
Why, Mr.
Phyllis want me and him not deba. Why not act like me and him a deba? Just to play one match with him when I go on so.
I think he's serious.
Yeah, me know you guys love me. I understand that. That yeah boy is not about. Alright, maybe him a look forward, right? I'm not saying him a do it because whatever. But for me just do my thing on my platform. Right? So everybody now have to assume things and a jump up like that. Come on. And I can't make it more better than that. TikTok man, me see you. I don't have to make it scenes like that. God no, it too much. Right, my lips?
They see you too.
Me give up on you, Annie. After you never did with me. You never did with me. Only the people that were truly with me from long time will stay with me. So when people love me for me, them stay with me. You can't tell me what to do. Say if you go with me because you want to tell me what to do, it's not gonna work. You are gonna make me happy? I ask you the question, you are gonna make me happy? No, you're not gonna make me happy at the end of the day. You're gonna make yourself happy. Right? You see me on the Monday? So just because me play one game, all I wanna bombs out like that? That's crazy. You don't want to see me. I bet me there say me a cuss him and I tell him some dirty word. You all wanna jump up and not happy. Right? But because me there say me and him good, and we move on.
A few moments later.
Listen.
It's the last Kevin I person where they cook for me on my birthday party. Chat,
Yeah,
everybody guys.
Black him, you know.
Guys, people, use the triple guys.
You hear me say?
You say something about black him?
Yeah.
Focus for him much.
Anything for the time too, guys. Anything for the time too.
Just a comment.
In this look at it, come public and apologize and done. We did a ramp, we did a player come at City once. You still for just come in and apologize and done, you understand? No apologize. You just do it on a ramp. So if people they might tell you the right thing, but they just slow him alone, kind of apologize.
Still call me names and stuff like that, but I don't like when it just happen. See me people, I see me and I call me this and I call me that. So it kind of put a burden on me. You see me, and you know my community where I live in. Like them just wait for years. So I remember when I walk and tell people things. Oh, you see me, so some of them just wait for years. You know. You see me, and yeah, somebody, my feelings same me. But maybe the next interview I get, here.
Okay. Guys, double talk, guys. Guys, what we're gonna talk about?
Somebody say, I know them are gonna call me name. I'm not business. I'm not business before, but I got business now.
Guys, we're gonna treat.
Guys, 3 person.
That one, well, the queen, she said, there is a deer. A deer is a deer. Yes, a deer is a deer. A deer is a deer. A deer is a deer. Ready? You're gonna get for win. I know you're gonna get for win. The dog will get it like you're not get for win. You ready for that one here?
Mm-hmm.
Where's spray paint?
Hold on, let me big up the people. One and only one.
Guys, everybody wear double tap. Alright, ready? Okay. So, I dare you to write Annie right over there, son. Annie.
Alright.
A deer is a deer.
Over where?
Right over this up on the wall back of here, I can't see it.
Alright, we'll start the match. Guys, please be moving. Oh God. Which way you need to go buy a spray paint there? Cause any car you in there, you have to go write it up.
Sorry, please don't make me lose. Don't guys don't make me. Please double tap. Hey, my name is ANNIEYEE. So I don't know your stylish out my name, so.
Nah, true. Thank you.
Guys, no. Guys, triple. First triple. No, the name not right. The name not right good. Guys, first triple. Yes, that's flimsy. That's flimsy. Come on, chat. That's flimsy.
No, the space where they there.
Yeah? No. Thank you, baby.
You get your things ready?
You get this like KFC?
I don't have any KFC.
Yeah, you have it KFC.
No, say that. What are you doing now?
17 people. 17 people, one roast.
Guys, 17 people chat, one roast. 17 people, one roast. Hello, look here. Do they care? Do they them fear, you know? Make sure it says fear. Ricardo!
17 people. One and only wifey, thank you so much. V, thank you, sexy.
People, I can be wrong, you know. But me did say this the first time Annie and this youth here get together. May I say him not really ready for settle down yet. You know what I mean? So say, so done. The two of them mash up. I remember how they mash up over. Now, me I go say it again. Me not feel like say this youth here ready for a woman where not financially secure certain way to take care of him. My opinion still, I can be wrong. You understand what I say? Me give them my blessing still. You know what I mean? Because I just feel like say Annie just want a man for herself to settle down with and live a happy life. Because when a woman reach up in her age, that's all them want. Some of them. You see me? But young boy want a big woman with money to take care of them. You see me? That's every young boy dream. So if Annie not have money to take care of a young boy, him will stay with her, yeah? You see me? But you don't know how them foreign big woman at time they love come in and take a woman man from them. So if a woman come in and spark the dog interest, maybe he will go cut. Me not sure. But tell me what you think.
Alright guys, big up to my number one VP, Woodjagger Queen, thank you. Lady G, big up yourself baby guys. Nathani, who that? I don't want to hear that. that, guys. Honestly, if you're not positive, don't bother coming on my comments. Guys, wanna become an MVP now, please. My number 1 MVP. Become a number 2 shooter, my number 3, guys. Come on, chat. We are look on the clock. Right? Big up to all of my people them with the years so support me. Alright? That is what me I focus on. But the number 6 on the ranking, chat. Alright? So if you can't focus on the positive side, please, we're not in on talking. Alright, so Mr. Kevin. I dare you. So speak the truth and tell me why you leaked the video.
I swear to God, I swear upon my daughter life, I swear upon my mother life, me no leak no video. None. I swear.
So the video where them say, where you ask, I don't want to call it woman name because I don't want to mix up, where you ask a social media influencer for leak of me, where it already leak. You don't have nothing to do with that?
I swear to God, I swear. For my mother life, I swear for my dad.
Can you hear me? Phone ring.
Yeah, my phone there ring, but I swear, I have nothing to do with that.
Alright. Guys,
chat, bring up a score, chat.
Is
1 wifey, never 2 room. Big up yourself, wifey.
Please, thank you for the cake.
Alright, quick and fast. Which part are they?
Where the right at the KFC.
Alright, go in at the KFC and shout out, say I love TikTok police. Go inside at the KFC and shout out, say I love TikTok police. Go on quick now before the people ain't ready for going. Shout out, say I love TikTok police and a 1 police pan the app.
Guys,
I'm waiting. Alright, wifey have a gloves. Which branch is that? Where is that? Where is that one located?
Christiana.
Alright, so the people in my Christian are gonna know about me now. Go in there and shout out. Shout for your voice. I'm seeing them. Turn the camera. Turn the camera. Yeah, shout out.
Stop it again. Alright. I love TikTok police.
Shout out.
TikTok police for the app.
Shout out, mama. Shout out.
I love TikTok police.
Use the vocals. I'm on the screen. Everybody chat, everybody power tap, come on.
Guys,
We're not losing.
Right now, people are looking.
Guys, double time. Guys, that one messed up. Guys.
Tell us what they are rent every night. I don't know, I'm not paying them.
Guys, everybody, drop a rose. No, guys, we have to get back there. Guys, we have to. Me I feel it to my bone, me I feel that one, you know. Me I feel it. Me I feel that one in my belly button. Me I feel it. Me now go back out the door, I do no more nothing, you know.
You one wifey. Alright, if you want, I don't know. I dare you to tell the people them how you really feel about me.
We can do that one. We can skip that one. Give money.
You want to skip it? Alright, let's skip that one then. Alright, I want you to put my picture as your profile picture.
So what?
TikTok.
Well, people, I think we can say that TikTok, Beast, and Annie is back together. Can we officially say that? Type it in the comment section.
Guys, stop laugh.
Hold on, no. Change her one day. I got change her one day.
Thank you.
I got change her one day. Alright. Wifey. The first MVP. Give me a deal. MVP.
Guys, no, not take up for me. No, not. I'm not get it. I'm not laugh.
TikTok. Alright. My MVP make me win the match. Say she need you to change your name to TikTok police wife.
You're asking a question. Who hear me say Nicki Minaj is my downfall? More than me say the woman is a witch. What really wrong with you, no boy? She no wake yet. Well, like how she talk behind my back, me go talk back behind her back. I can't wait for her wake up. Because nobody not respect nobody these days. People just say anything they want to say and them don't care about nobody. No, Rosalie, you're wrong in so many blood clot ways. You're wrong. What you mean me say Nicki Minaj is my downfall? Me make it clear, I did not say the woman is my downfall. I say the gift them come with problem. Something similar to that? The gift them come with problem. I'm one gear about the gift them. That me say. In my feelings from Nicki Minaj go over TikTok like over done. What if you check the video them? And that my blood clot say. Girl when my fire shot for verbally. Come back, come team up with my enemy. Big stinking Rosalie. You want me in a bomber blood clot something? Is you have my feelings or you or me have my feelings? I wanna feel when me I got you. I wanna feel when me I got you. The whole on wrong because you just a jump on the bagwagon trying to hear the woman name call. Try to get the story straight first. Who the fuck is you, Rosalie, for come have 2 cents per me? Don't have no 2 cents per me. You have too much problem. You have too much problem where you need to go fix up, boy. For come leave your own and come to my own, Rosalie. You're wrong. You shouldn't even bother speak on that. Or you get to I am mighty want to speak on everybody right now. And you have the most problem on the app. You have too much problem on the app for one come get 2 cents per people. You're too blood clot, enough and bright. Who the fuck is you, Rose? Rose, who is you, Rose? Rose, who is you, Rose? May I ask you a question, Rose? Who is you, Rose? Rose, a cheese this, you know? A cheese this, and none of you can send me go do no here. Because first of all, where I'm living, I don't want nobody to know where I'm living. Secondly, I got a work permit and I got a social security number. I also don't want to worry about me. You know, say me pay tax. Jesus Christ, so good people. I am a small business owner. I'm tired for telling you this. I am a small business owner and I do pay tax in this country. You understand? I don't got a GED, so certain work when I apply for me now go get it. I don't have a certificate for HRA or HHA or whatever I want name. I never try to get that still. I'm not going to tell a lie. So most of the things them require things. Big blood clot, buffalo duck. Don't fuck your blood clot with me bed bug. Don't call me bumbo clot name in a certain manner. Cause you talk like say you can't tell nobody for go look work and you sit down for your big ass every blood clot there. How dare you? Rosalie, how dare you? Rosalie, one thing with me, I not take fuckery now. It's when the things them are going Rosalie. If me not have nothing good for say, me not say nothing at all, no. Only the jobbers thing alone, me say, Rosalie, I fuck with that, you know for do that. I'm still never beat you, no girl. Way out there talk about how much me say Nicki Minaj am a downfall. You did hear that out of my blood clot mouth? You did hear that out of my mouth? Yeah, run with things where people say. Or them, look how much things them talk say, you say, Rosalie. You ever hear me repeat it back yet? I make a video and say, Rosalie, enough to do this. And Rosalie, come off of me. Come off a blood clot me. Nobody follow nobody and come for me a bumble blood clot. Because me not have nothing. I mean, not even supposed to have nothing. The whole I know in the feelings through Nicki Minaj name call. Me say the woman a blood clot witch. I'm a done bumble clot. I'm not take it back on the more the talk. The more me I come address it. On the deaf. Me say the woman is a witch. I'm alone blood clot. Say the woman a witch boy. Yeah? Eh? The woman are more than witch, because she sit down with blood clot, blame them, and I tell blame them lie for me. So where you leave me for blood clot though? Nicki Minaj big and rich, and I tell big lie for me with blame them. So who only want me to deal with that bitch there, that witch there, that shit there? The more on the talk, the more me go come over here, come angle up her dirty blood clot. So the best thing to do when you come off of my name with that woman, because who feels it knows it. Oh, you gonna tell blame them say, me in your DM I beg you. Bitch, how much time I ever beg you? Put out the proof and tell the people them. You're a big international rap star and I tell lie pan people. You're a big international rap star and I tell big lie pan people. You think that you have your million.
Some people, she say, you can't believe say Nicki Minaj will tell such a lie pan her. The biggest liar them in the world, my people, is artists.
Followers, them and them stuff, they can walk and bully down people and tell a bag of lie pan people, girl, come show the proof when me beg you. One time me ever beg you. And I went time my beer father did tell lie pan me and get me arrested and I don't know because I did on probation. And I just want to get rid of the case. As somebody suggested to me, make me come to you, you know. I mean, and my friend attacking and me, I said, I don't have no money, I don't even know me I get money. And them say, link Nicki. And I say, Bumbleclad, yeah. I'm reach out to you, when I reach out to you, bitch, you turn me down one time alone. When me beg your rent, stinking girl. Big pussy Nicki Minaj, when me beg you rent, girl. When me ever beg you rent, girl, for you a big superstar like you a tell lie for me, say me cheese beg you rent, come show the proof. Me never yet chat to you on phone physically. Me and you never dep on a phone call yet. When me reach out to you in your DM, you give me a number and say, this is my road manager, Pedro. Contact him for anything you want. When time me hear that, me swear me that go get the liar. When me contact the blood clot man, the man, with these seashells come suck me anything you say I do. When me contact the man, make me find the blood clot message because pity you know, pity do well on me, make up put it up on your toe. Fuck. He's a big international superstar and you tell life and a brokey. He's a fucking embarrassment. He's an embarrassment, Nicki Minaj. He's an embarrassment. You're gonna find the blood clot message from Pedro now. Because it's in my phone, same way it was an SMS message. The fuck? How dare you are gonna sit down and tell so much life on people? Nicki Minaj ain't ready. Or even if you not tell blame them there, or you have blame them out here in the street and do your name so you're big, so you're going dirty careless y'all, so you get deal with like a dirty careless y'all in a real life. Me can't deal with you with no respect and have none for yourself. I mean, you want to respect you when you don't respect yourself, you crazy. Wait for blood clot it. Oh yeah, tell blame them, say me beg you when? One time alone. And from that, I don't beg you back. I asked you for a retainer. I asked you for a lawyer. I did not beg you after that. Tell me and show the proof. Say, me beg your rent. Me have the video, you know? Me have the video. I got the video where blame them say, you say. Oh, and rich people, you know, for beg rich people we tired of you. Bitch ass bitch, you call long me know you before the whole of them. And when me really in a one spot where me couldn't help myself forget the liar, me ask you, you dirty ass bitch, and you turn me down. You turn down blood clot. turn me down before me come back here for blood clot candy. You turn me down before me come class up, whole heap more other people for you. You turn me down. I mean never turn, me never just done with you. Because me never did friend you for no money. You understand? And when you show me up with TikTok liar them and blood clot Dan, you could have talked to anybody, but not them, the same people them where get me arrested, where me that ask you for liar. That means you look like you're in it too. Simple. That's all me I say. Oh, me fear a rape for you and a block a bus shot for you. Eh? And you do that to me. You look for Pedro. When I tell me I have the batty boy pin over here, Pedro mouth stink like batty hole. Pedro mouth stink like shit. You go find it. You rude lady. Me one time and you give me the number and say ask him for anything where you want. You ask him for the liar and the ticket for come at the blood clot show. And all I get is the 2 to 3 ticket them. Because you look somebody for come real for you. Yes, when time I send the shoes come give me, it was promotion. Of course the city of Pedro. Of course it is promotion. Of course it is blood clot promotion and suck pussy Pedro. My mama have your pan yes I tell me for help push Nicki Minaj too. That me I tell you. So all of this I work. See it ya?
Hello, good morning, Pedro. My name is Sharon Oakley, aka Cheese. Nicki Minaj gave me your number via DM, Instagram, and I'm reaching out to you, but I can't get to you, and I couldn't leave a voice message. So, could I have you call me back on this number, please? Please, I'm begging you. Please, may I beg you, Pedro, do.
Alright, he message me back up. Let me take off this. I'm not joking. I want to know when me ever blood clot beg this a girl after this. Eh? I don't beg her back because my sister she's a witch. Yeah. Can you please send me a screenshot of her sending you my number? Thank you. And what's your Instagram at? Question. Sitia. See, she said, hi babe, you can text Pedro, he's my assistant on the tour and can help you with anything. You hear? Alright. They say, see there, thank you. Oh, this is a screenshot? Right, this was a screenshot. Right. Thank you so much. Oh, I the same screenshot that me. This I went time and said, thank you so much for even just replying on your busy time. Oh, love you, my Dan, queen, whatever. Not anymore is a witch now to me. Cause suck your mama. No girl, man. Then me send him the necessary things and when I ask her, can you please send. It's a long story.
Even the time or anything, so I just want to get a lawyer so they could get me up because this man was beating me. This man was putting his hands on me and I went to the kitchen and I pulled a knife. I did not use the knife or anything. And the man he pulled out his phone, started to video me and he bring it to the police. I never, oh my God, my life, I'm on a year probation and I stayed in my house. I fall off because I can't go out there and do what I want to do because I'm so scared of this country. I get a year probation for something that I don't do because I was in the car with people and they had some stolen stuff in the car and they get me down for it. Yo, I stayed in my house because I said, this system is fucked up. No, I cannot afford a lawyer. I'm thinking, I don't know. It's long, it's not even like that. It's way deeper than what you would even think.
Alright, so I'm send the arresting paper and everything. I'll get the body stinking mouth, boy. I say, please, I'm so depressed. On God, I've been running all the time ever gonna see the queen in real life. Reminder Sharon Oakley, whatever. These are the quotes it me share go give the man. When me forgot a quote, you get me? Cause me just a try to make him know say I want lie, I really want. Yeah. Good morning. Was just checking back to see if there's any luck for me. Because I have court on the 26th. Please, Pedro, let me know.
Hey, my people, let me tell you something, man. You see, when it come to having friends with money, celebrity friends and them way there, you see, one of the worst thing you could have ever do, I ask them for money. Yeah, man, no, the worst thing that you could have ever do, man, I ask them for money, man. You see me? Don't do that, no matter what type of situation you're in. Make them look on you and give you a thing more while. Don't beg them. A jiffy, I make them jiffy on you. Because most of the time, even Nicki Minaj, me know say she been through a whole heap when it come to begging and giving people money and them something. She go through a lot. You see me I say? So once a person beg her, it a go turn her off. So maybe that's why she go over the rest of people them with them and choosing her things and whether gift them or whatever, me no know. You see me I say? But on a level with people, you see all Nicki Minaj them, then just love the Jamaican mix up, you know, can entertain them, you know. You see it. So let me know what you think. We'll watch some more.
Hiya.
You contact me or anything, so I was just, you know, as I said, I spent everything I got going on the basics of the business part. But I just like to know if there's any way you could get them to say something to me, please. It's so much. I really have this lawyer.
Hi, how are you? She's listen on Nicki a witch from long time. Yeah? Hi, how are you? How are you doing? After me done pour my blood clot out to the witch. She's only giving you 2 tickets to the show with VIP lounge access. Let me know which show. The following options are not available. That means that the liar not available. No. The following options are not available. That means that the show, not the liar. Listen. Las Vegas, Queens, Miami. Thank you. Please text me. Okay. New York, Queens. She said, reread the text, please.
You said I'm only getting 2 tickets. I understand. So I said, okay, Queens, New York. The one that says the show for New York. Queens. Mary.
I said in the previous text that cities is not. I said in previous text that city is not one of the option there. So basically that he must say. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Basically me I say, I just get for understanding what I say. So I think I misunderstood. Sai, you said she giving me only 2 tickets. That means getting the lawyer is a no. Because that is the most important part. I don't want to go in. I'm on probation. That's it. Sai. Thanks a lot, Pedro. Yes, 2 tickets for you and your guest. See? So she turned on the liar, right? Yes, I'm from that. Wish for me ever beg you again, bitch. Wish for me ever beg you again, bitch. Read through people. But just I tell him which part them I say the options them were available. I'm a pick options. Me should have just don't go because the day ask the girl when me and her go. Me sick the night before the blood clot show. Me end up in a hospital the night before the blood clot show. So God did that show me say don't go no blood clot way. Don't go no way. Look now. Yeah. Then I have to pass that fast car personal info. My pleasure. Thank you for the info. Good morning, Pedro. Please tell the queen I'm so sorry about the low life them we are. Cause this a one time Lisa call up her name about the liar. He never answer me. Then they send this go give the man and say me book the hotel and everything. Hi, how are you doing? You will get the tickets the day of the show. Thanks, Pedro. Still, I push up myself in people. Me too enough. Hi, you will, same thing say. Meet me by the merch. This is when we reach at the place. This is when we reach at the place where the show I keep. Yeah. And me and him end up take be a picture. See me, I'm out think, yeah? Pedro, I'm out stink. Like you have one little batty in your blood clot mouth I walk with. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey Pedro, after I sent you the pictures, you didn't even like wake up yet. You know up as yet? Oh, them got a show today again now.
Watch your wicked lad, woman. Watch your wicked woman, yes so. Watch her. No way you came to the show and didn't meet me. Wow. Okay, I'll see you Friday if you come, babe. She evil. She hypocritical. She after she tell Pedro say, don't bring me to the backstage, this bitch. Okay. You just need to stay in your own crowd. Stay with the rich people there because you see me, you're not gonna show me up I'm in this year. I just saw me stay. Once me find out say you're a violator, me go violate your back in a real blood clot like so. Show me which one. Show me which one else me beg you.
And now get to you. I told you I'm gonna buy the ticket. I just want you to come for me and camera run at the backstage so me can see Nikki. Just answer me, Pedro. Please. I don't want to buy the ticket and then don't get to see her. That's the only reason why me I go come.
This match, alright, this a one time I'm a match. I'm inviting to come on my match. This I don't know if I'm a birthday or what. Yeah, it was my birthday. Me I invite him.
Hey Pedro, good morning. I just wanna maybe you make Nikki hear a voice note. I want you to let Nicki Minaj hear this voice note. Happy birthday, Queen, coming from
Oh man, a dirty germs them the cheese. Hear him. Post on your Instagram, tag me. And I did do the same thing the bitch tell me to do. So you see them work me and not pay me. Them drunk or work me and not pay me. Me tag me go everybody page. When time them tag her, when them post her for her birthday, I'm a tag her. And I see repost back some of the people them things. Yeah.
I'm being alright, but I got edit it and tag you back because I did being post already, but that.
Alright, my people, so we're gonna move on to the next one now, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Not any more cheese, not any blood clot more.
Come talk your side. Make we hear your side of the blood. Come on here, where you gonna tell TikTok say? Where you gonna tell TikTok say? And you presume me? Where you gonna tell TikTok say? Where you gonna really tell them say? We want to hear your side of the story for true. True, how you see the upper run now, as some realize you don't need now. You see how the upper run and all on want come out. If you say cloud, me is not a cloud chaser. I am the fucking cloud. So obviously you are chase the cloud. 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6 fucking years. It take for you one come on TikTok come talk your side. 6 fucking years. It take for you one come on TikTok come talk your side of story. That make blood clot sense.
Conscience and yam them.
But tell us that none can bring me down, Batman. Say if I come here, come over here because you want a little clout and you feel like you can't come bring me down, you can't try that. Go suck your mother. Go suck out your mother fresh. Cause the last time I see in H&M, you walk back here when you see me so good boy. Cause you know me not play with you. Cause you know say me not afraid of you know. You know say me not afraid of you know. Cause fresh you know say me left something in your blood clot they can walk to the police station. See me like come and do my baby father. You know me not play. Cause you know me mad. Some of them know where you text people TikTok about. And you need to come talk to your side of the story. What story? You have any blood clot story? What kind of story you have? More than likely, I go to prison, you not even blood clot put 150 or 1-2 bills on the blood clot and prison bank account. You turn your blood clot back. Not even a 50 you give me. I'm a baby father do everything. So all of me, I'm a baby father tear down the blood clot place. One thing with me that's why I can't suffer. I tell you every day, my God bless, I can't suffer. Because in a life, no matter what your blood clot do, the one fucking good you do, me gonna use that good and cover all the fucking bad. So I can't suffer. The one, you could have do one good for me. I do plenty bad. The one fucking good me use and cover all the bad. Me can't suffer.
Tanya, my baby.
Me can't suffer. So come talk your side. It's simple. Because you see TikTok, you feel like say, yeah, you not run down one clout have a TikTok. Come over here. Come talk your side. Come talk your side. Me tell the boy reach out to me and me tell him, say, go live tomorrow. Make him come talk. Come on with the blood clot here, come tell TikTok say. What you come tell them say? The whole Jamaica knows say me get one and blood clot gone to prison. Me never get deport.
And that thing did why you get, man.
Me never get deport. Because every time them come show me a blood clot picture, me say me no know you. Me always say me no know you. Me no know you for true. So the blood clot now, me I do one little story time now. Look how long me do my little story time them about that prison story. The flex at first year, the prison story.
You say you get locked up already. Me, you say you get locked up already.
But a long time I talk about it. So why you come now? 6 years after you come now, I come talk story. Come. You should have glad say me never call your blood clan name because me would have make you rotten in a prison. Up to today they are rotten. Because you know saying a blood clot Belgium 6 years and a nothing in Belgium when it come on to blood clot that me know. Read no. Read no. You know say in a Belgium 6 years and I know when it come on to Domino. And when it come on to Kalalu. So what you say? So come talk your side of the story. Come. We are wait. Cause you should have glad me never called. Every day my baby father said to me, say you should have prison that boy. Because that boy ungrateful. Every day him say to him, say you should have share through your heart too good. You should have prison in blood clot. You feel glad see me. Because if I did any other girl, remember me tell you, them lock up your blood clot. You would come out.
Give money and you want to come take piece of cake with a share over here. Them feel like him to come talk story over here.
Come talk your side, come talk your story. Yeah, come talk your side because as what me say, as me hear say you over here, me get to a life say you there, me go for my baby father, run on my baby father yard, me I go, and me and him a come pan blood clot here. So come boy. Remember it's one bus away. So when you come over here, me and Queenie girl and my baby father and the two with the tray with them on the live. So nothing wrong with that.
Alright, my people, so we are going to watch some more of this guy. Look like say this a boy and Shay war is a never ending war. You see me? And we are going to go over TikTok line, you know, and you she and Sky Diamond have to say. So we can watch some more.
Nothing wrong. And if I study him want come talk story.
Well, for you know, you not do that, make him come talk in story. What? Yeah.
As well, myself and make him come talk.
Make him come talk. So you can get
Make him come talk, come. Me tell him, come tomorrow. Because the youth text me and said to me, say, Shay, when you reach out, I clout him a look. Make him come. Make him come. Me want him for come.
Chat and follow.
Yeah, text people phone, but I want to come talk my side of the story. What side of the story you want to come talk? Flex, listen.
Yeah.
Me come from Jamaica, February 2019. When me get all of the airport, the boy run left blood clot me. I run back to father yard and change off him clothes because
I him did that travel share.
You be Jamaica.
I him for come pick me out of the airport.
Oh.
And when him see the police hold on for me. I say him run left me. Him run left me and go straight to my baby father yard. Take off the whole of him clothes, strip naked.
So I in a Belgium airport they get all.
Yes.
Yes, it's true. Yeah.
Every minute they over here. No.
If you get well at Jamaica, you're still there, Jamaica.
Man.
Run left me at the airport. When the police them hold on for me at Belgium, him run left me and go straight to my baby. I said tomorrow we not go hear the story when me bring my blood clot baby father over here.
And me, nobody can use sickness and cuss you. No girl can use sickness and cuss you. You mad?
She's stupid. She sound dumb. Now everybody over there listen to her. She have put up your picture. You could have been her mother. You could have been her mother, you know. You could have been her mother.
55-year-old and I'm proud of
Sister,
my
you break
age.
up.
I'm proud of my age. And me look good for be 55. She can never look like me when she reach 55 because she don't know. She bleach out. She do everything that is bad. She can never look like me when she reach 55. And she must pray to see if she gonna live till she 55. That she must do.
Exactly.
As many people don't must know tomorrow you may not wake up. So me probably be 55.
Yes,
Take your talk to me.
use Peggy to get all information to report Shay for putting out your document. She never put out a document fish for lawyer. She just that shit. You know how long me hear that she have lawyer social and she can't post it?
Listen. That's for listen. Let me just easy. I said we'll talk to Peggy.
Yeah, she not.
What document she put out?
No, make she come and put out my one and then she will see. If you want document, make she go put out my one and then she will see.
Yeah, man, she put out
You know what the thing? Me tired of she just depend life and yap. Bad girl no yap. Me tell her say when she see me do me what she want do me and then she go sit off. That's all me have to say. Now nothing more to say. Just stop yapping. Stop up on social media. Oh, she all man and she there with young boy. So what? What's wrong with that? The one you there with all of you.
Peggy,
the one you're there with is older than you. So what you talking about? Think me 2 years older than him or 1 year older than him. So what she
baby father 950s. So what she has say for baby father 950s?
Exactly.
I Peggy is supposed to be not you and him.
Exactly. Baby father than me your age group, Peggy, not for your age group. If our baby
Exactly. And then she go say, oh, me are the youngest one him there with. She want to know. She just
being inside the best you understand the independence. But what have you made of this scenario?
Who mute Peggy?
Behind
Peggy, accept the me no know like somebody no mute nobody moderator. Where you say Peggy?
Me say the time she there and attack and a yap. She anytime she see me, she will do me when she want to do me, and then she will know what gonna happen to her. That's all me have to say.
She just have a bag of mouth. She just have a bag of mouth. She come yesterday and I say, how our baby father say stop and Peggy apologize. She know say she cannot do Peggy nothing. That's why she has say all of that. Cause she know she cannot do her nothing.
Me apologize to who?
She knows she can't do nothing.
Me apologize. I never call you. I never come on your live and apologize. Me apologize to who? Me apologize to who? And when she got to say, yeah, me just come from Jamaica, yes, and I go to Jamaica. From Jamaica, yes, and I go to Jamaica.
Baby father no.
Can travel.
Peggy daughter have 3 kids to Shay baby father. No, get it right. Peggy's not with Shay baby father.
Right. But Shay I said Peggy
child have 3 kids to Shay baby father. The biggest one a 15-year-old. And Shay go take the man.
15-year-old.
The biggest child with Peggy daughter after the man a 15-year-old. And Shay go take the girl man. Peggy daughter man.
And the son I go be 12. And the second one I go be 12.
You see that? One
and the other one I go be Brooklyn at 5, eh? And she go be and she 4 and check fear daughter age and the last one age. The two of them are same age. The man is same year.
Like you know, make no sense to over there tell people what people are come from Jamaica with holy for bag and pan and all of that. Would that not make no sense? Everybody got Jamaica come back with bag and pan. Make that make sense.
But me come back with bag and pan. I have family here. I have grandkids here, so I have to bring back things for my grandchildren.
There's no need to explain yourself. We all got Jamaica and come back with bag and pan.
Yeah, me come
Jamaica and we come back with bag and pan.
Me go to Jamaica this summer. 7 suitcases me bring. 7 suitcases me bring. Till me call the big pussy girl and turn to her and said to her, oh, me and her was good. Me turn to her and said to her, say, you want me bring some things for your child in Jamaica? She said, I will get back up to you. Because me and her we don't have no problem. The problem did over with Chammy daughter and everything cool. She said hello to me, me say hello to her, fine. That's it. And when you hear she gonna say me invite her in a me house to drink, you mad no blood clot. She bring up my grandkids them. Why you never leave them downstairs? Why you bring them upstairs? They can't take a live by themselves, talk. You bring them upstairs at the door. You could have put them inside and let them come upstairs, but you reach upstairs to my door. So I never me invite you up here.
Everything where she said, the dirty girl Queenie, but yes, that's true. I'm tell you if you not go. Me tell you
Queenie, I say yes, that's true.
Listen me. She bring my grandkids them out. She bring them out and she will drop them off by my house. It's 2 doors for coming at the apartment. You could have when they bust the bell, you could have let them in. You could have let them take the lift come upstairs, but you come up the stairs with. Up the stairs with the in. And you say, no, me I go away. Fine.
Alright, my people, so we're going to watch some more of that one, yeah, and then we're going to go over our next one. You see me, I say, holy papa, my people.
So what she talk about? Me never invite you up the stairs. Me never tell you if you take the lift.
She said she didn't want it. She could have come up there for you. She know where you live. So when she outside,
alright, you see the night when she said, but call the police. So me call the police. Why you run there? Since you're a bad girl, why you never stand up? You should have stand up till the police them come. But you stay 2 minutes and you run boy. Stand up. Cause you're a bad girl. Stand up now.
So
but you never stand up.
So it wasn't her kid she brought out. No, the lady in the box grandkid she bring out her and now listen.
It's my grandkids and to me talk she must
she bring out where they not pretend like a fear kids. The lady in the box a fear grandkids. Shaded up the way they are chicken.
Yeah, I'm a grandkids there. Yeah, I'm a grandkids there. Yeah, I'm a grandkids there. She will go post up fear. She will go post. She can post them fear one up. But don't go post my grandkids. Don't put them on a fucking post. By your post.
Miss Peggy, where you call the government facility over there? One different name. When you call it over there?
Them call it installing.
Installing. She baby, they are installing. We would have call it warm. Our place of safety. And that we call it a place of safety.
But here in Belgium, they call it installing.
Alright, so in Belgium, they call it installing. She baby, they are installing.
So Peggy, I want to ask you one question. So for the picnic come back from England, she don't have the picnic in her custody?
No.
You're there.
You're there.
Then she want to chat me, I go chat because you know leave her
one more question
for you. Bust up on me for bust up there. Bust up on me for bust up there.
I have one question for you, Miss Peggy. Where is Queenie and Shay right now? Who for you had Queenie and Shay there?
I was the baby father when them in the pan live.
So when they did the live, the baby father you had that, right?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
When she said she dey on balcony, she don't have no balcony.
The baby father yard she there. And Queenie has sleep by baby father yard. I know Miss Peggy tell me a different somebody tell me I confirm it with Miss Peggy.
Yeah, when she post up and go, oh, me dey on balcony. She don't dey on no balcony. Me have a balcony. She not have no balcony. I must she tell you in I passage. And the people them pan the building so report her because all them a say she in her house and make peer nice and them she shout of a Queenie and Galang and I play music and them something there. So sooner or later, them soon report her if the people them pan the building.
So Miss Peggy,
because later night she play music and they pan her loud nice and a carry and them soon report her if them no report her already.
Alright, and then guys, the man in the box is fresh. Other man here Shay snitch pan. Him Shay bring the thing that Belgium fan snitch pan him. Shay and him did a fuck at the time. And
yes, because let me tell you something. Him bring her come at me yard one day. I told him never want to tell my niece.
Yeah.
Him bring her come at me yard one day. Yeah, when me that Jamaica and him come there with her with somebody me that talk to. Yeah, me not even know him did in the corner. And him come there, she must have one either 2 piece. Casey, she chop all the Casey bone and leave in the box with the cup where she drink and left the same place. Right on the table and go. You said that girl nasty.
Listen.
Chop all the bone.
Mama talk quick and come off.
Alright, fresh.
Listen, Peggy.
Yeah?
No worry about that girl there. Seeing? You know you have the biggest family there, boy, so.
Of course.
Hey, listen, the amount of people the amount of people will call me and say, if the girl there ever touch you. So you're not for worry.
She can't do it.
Listen to me now, Peggy. Me know no, she can't do, she not do a fuck. That's how she stay. See? But what me I say? The amount of people will call and say, if she ever touch Peggy, so no worry yourself.
But me know, even this morning me never call me.
My God.
But you know where born me too, when the big pussy queen, you're gonna say, you're not fresh, but Rachel intelligent. For go, she and Black step on live with Shay. I'm not afraid to talk. Because I did it. I got say about Rochelle don't she go college but she don't send intelligent.
Listen to me now. Listen.
She don't know say Rochelle mama one mad girl.
Listen to me now. Listen to me.
We gonna find on a share yard.
Listen. Listen, Peggy. Make them talk anything they want talk, man. Make them talk anything they want.
But I never first say my wife intelligent. A Black say she
Black say me know is an intelligent girl. Me listen to that.
Yeah, and Queenie no, and then after Queenie say. No, after Queenie say, oh, but Donovan, she sound like she intelligent, but she's not intelligent. It doesn't mean that you go to college, you're intelligent. She said, go look on her life when they depend with Black, Queenie and Shay. And I suck on me and say, when she come talk about my niece not intelligent. She bright and blood clad face. I was saying where my niece work with. Queenie better go suck her mama talk about she a teacher. That calm me down, man.
Reporting bomber clot. I make them do a background check pan him over that blood clot. Cause if you remember say, Shay baby father.
Alright, my people, so I understand this, right? Me know say people in them argument, them have a saying where them say anything goes when it comes to love and war. But on a level, my people, certain things, this are just maybe me still, but me don't feel like say them for go to the extreme for one get a person dip, one get a person lock up, one get a person jobless, one get a person, you know what I mean, evicted. These people, and they were once friends enough at the time, and they want the worst for them. Boy, I mean, I know my people. Tell me what you think. I watch some more.
If a member say, when he get deported and he a Jamaica and he look both he go back as somebody's name, he go pan. If the child member say the name when they pan in a Belgium and that him name. If the member say a different papers in go pan, shame me know a whole of your bomb clock business, your child out Peggy alone.
You there? Send my
baby father. Yes, you never know. She baby father get deported and go back up and rank bomb clock name. Tell she say Sky Diamond say that. Oh, know what she a do? Allow Miss Peggy alone. Oh. And your dirty baby father go sorry and get involved in your mess. Your baby father I go regret the day in company media can lie for you. Yes, guys, coming from Antoinette Ford mouth, aka Sky Diamond. The name was Shay baby father in a Belgium and a film name. A people papers in go pan. A Jamaica when they deport him in go pan people name. Yes, Shay, I have your file over your sub. But you see your file there. And the baby father file too. The baby father thief. I send thief a Belgium and stab him up.
Thief, guys. My petty thief.
My petty thief.
That's why my hand
talking to people out and thief them to come and close. Man shoes. Petty teeth.
Yes, guy, talk me King Concuss. Shake all
yes, come cuss me, come on, may you roll pan it up, me make it up, know your whole of your business, boy. Handicap, boy.
Make O'Neal Concuss, guy, shake.
Yes, handicap O'Neal, me have your file, O'Neal, handicap O'Neal. We go over Belgium under the people them name, cause then deport you go back pan different name. Informer boy O'Neal. Where whole of your business?
Yes, guy, he go pan different name, but he get back the papers we have now in a theme name. He go back pan different name. But the people we have now in a feed name, but the people name you go back to Belgium, you know, because remember when he did Amsterdam and he informed the people them. You have to run with. Shay, baby, Shay, O'Neal, come here, O'Neal, come
to the forefront.
O'Neal, they say can't go back to Amsterdam. O'Neal, they say can't go back to Amsterdam.
They can't go back to Amsterdam, O'Neal, because you're informer.
I tell me, DM, they say can't go back to Amsterdam, you're informer. That's why you're over there, say she's not informer, because 2 and Y same thing.
Jesus Christ, we can't deal with this. No, sir.
They say can't go back to Amsterdam, O'Neal. That's true?
I tell Shay, I'm saying, baby father, go over there and fake name. They research him, I go report him blood clot. They have to go research him and say name change to the right name. But a fake name, he go over there and me have to report him, they do the investigation.
Shay tell O'Neal to sky over here chatting.
Shay tell O'Neal to come cuss me. Fake paper O'Neal, handicap O'Neal, informer O'Neal. Petty thief O'Neal, boy, you broke the man them out and a thief shoes. The man should tab you in your belly and bring the knife and kill you. Shay tell the people them, oh, your baby father get stab up in your belly. Now the man house him broken and a thief, the man clothes, and the man stab up in blood clot in it. Tell the people them.
Dirty girl, move from over here. We are sending request over here for dirty girl. Don't put that girl in the box. No request, don't put that girl in the box. That girl will sound like a she retarded. Go over Shay, what they say the retarded crew. They go on over there. Fuck you, come over here for send request.
Yes, dirty O'Neal, come cuss me.
Come send a request, bitch. Come over here. Sit down and listen if you listen.
O'Neal could have been my father still, you know?
Yeah, the one when they go over Mackerel mother house, I can't talk. Go along go find sick girl. Take him out of the request box, moderator. Don't put her up here.
Moderator, don't accept nobody in the box. Please answer.
Yeah, man, Shay, we wait for you to go over something the house to beat her up, you know. Why she not got carnival? And she know you not go carnival. She not got carnival. She's a grandmother. Grand, GRANDMOTHER. She has to take care of her grandchildren. So go over her house, press the lift/elevator and go up there and beat Peggy. And that's what we want you to do. As a bad girl.
You can't do that. Nobody company me that can't say about it. Can you not make no sense?
Oh, girl, live next door to you and chat all of your business. They're gonna go beat too far. Won't go beat her up, man. She live next door to you and chat all of your business. She's a
so
nana.
So could live less than 5 minutes from me sister. Me a quick live across them after me no delusional.
But Shay, how you can't tell everything you say Peggy say at this and Peggy. So you know tell we say, go you know talk what Peggy say about say the man and the pampers and about the baby. Go you know tell we say lie that part there. Cause you know say true. You know say true. Peggy not tell no lie for you. Peggy not tell no lie for you, girl.
After she can't tell Peggy say a lie, she tell the people in the facility.
Can't tell Peggy say a lie that.
She can't tell we that cause we the America.
She can't tell we that.
We don't believe her. She can't tell you, but we don't believe her.
We can come to Belgium, you know. We can travel, say, and Peggy like we, so Peggy will make Peggy will accommodate us. Peggy like we, right?
You don't think Peggy's still there, Peggy can't.
Peggy like we, right? Oh,
you're not here first say anytime we're ready for come, we can.
Yes,
you're not here for come. Yes, you're the first say anytime we're ready. Like you're not here first say anytime we're ready.
Yes, pull up on your black shade. Don't shame me, I got projects on me. I'm afraid of the project.
I'm afraid of the project to the girl living on the project. Me don't want to rat bite me.
Dirty girl over there. Dirty girl. Me see one screen record with crazy I talk about she. I say, oh, she a pay $50 she big. Me say, me nearly drop down.